Welcome to my channel Travel Guide. Lufthansa's bold decision, 4 Boeing 747s head for retirement. Lufthansa has announced the unexpected retirement of 4 Boeing 747 aircraft, signaling a major shift in long-haul strategy. This video explains the real reasons behind the decision, rising costs, sustainability pressure, and what it means for the future of the legendary Queen of the Skies. 1. Lufthansa's surprise announcement. Lufthansa shocked the aviation world by confirming the retirement of 4 Boeing 747 aircraft earlier than expected. While the airline is famous for keeping the iconic Queen of the Skies flying longer than most, this move signals a clear shift in fleet strategy. The decision surprised aviation fans because Lufthansa was one of the last major airlines still committed to the 747 on passenger routes. 2. Why the Boeing 747 still mattered to Lufthansa. The Boeing 747 has been a symbol of Lufthansa's long-haul dominance for decades. From Frankfurt to major global hubs, the aircraft carried millions of passengers and represented German engineering excellence combined with Boeing's iconic design. Lufthansa even invested in the newer 747-8 variant, making this partial goodbye even more unexpected. 3. Rising operating costs forced a hard choice. One of the biggest reasons behind this decision is cost. Operating 4-engine aircraft like the 747 has become increasingly expensive due to fuel prices, maintenance demands, and crew requirements. Compared to modern twin-engine jets, the 747 simply can't compete economically, especially on routes where demand has softened. 4. Efficiency wins. A350 and 787 take over. Lufthansa is clearly betting on efficiency. The Airbus A350 and Boeing 787 Dreamliner offer lower fuel burn, reduced emissions, and better range flexibility. These aircraft allow Lufthansa to serve long-haul destinations profitably without needing massive passenger loads, making them ideal replacements for aging widebodies like the 747. 5. Changing passenger demand after the pandemic. Global travel patterns have changed. While demand has returned, it's more fragmented than before. Airlines no longer need ultra-large aircraft on as many routes. Lufthansa's decision reflects a broader industry trend. Fewer very large planes, more frequent flights using smaller, efficient widebodies. 6. Environmental pressure plays a role. Sustainability is now a major factor in airline decisions. The Boeing 747 produces significantly higher emissions per passenger compared to modern aircraft. By retiring 4 of these jets, Lufthansa moves closer to its climate goals and responds to growing regulatory and public pressure to reduce aviation's environmental impact. 7. Not the end of the 747, yet this isn't a full farewell to the Boeing 747 at Lufthansa. The airline will continue operating a limited number of 747-8s for select high-demand routes. However, the message is clear. The era of the 747 as a backbone aircraft is ending, even at one of its most loyal operators. 8. Impact on pilots, crews, and maintenance teams. Retiring aircraft affects more than just schedules. Pilots must be retrained, cabin crews reassigned, and maintenance teams restructured. Lufthansa has been carefully planning this transition to minimize disruption, but the emotional impact of saying goodbye to such an iconic aircraft is deeply felt within the company. 9. Aviation fans react. Worldwide, plane spotters and aviation enthusiasts reacted strongly to the news. The Lufthansa 747 is considered one of the most iconic liveries ever to grace the skies. Social media quickly filled with photos, videos, and memories, proving just how special the aircraft remains even as airlines move on. 10. What this means for the future of long-haul flying. Lufthansa's decision sends a powerful message to the industry. The future belongs to fuel-efficient, flexible aircraft, not giants of the past. While the Boeing 747 will always be legendary, its role is now largely symbolic. Airlines must prioritize efficiency, sustainability, and adaptability to survive in today's competitive aviation market. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.